Ladies and gentlemen, you're welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time of coming to this channel, we celebrate you, we appreciate you right here. So make sure you subscribe to this channel. Okay, today, without wasting much of your time, what we want to do is we want to remove the dirt. The dirty, or is it dirt or dirty you call it, the one beneath the water. So that is what we want to remove. If we leave it like that, it's very possible it harbors what do we call it, germs that will eventually harm your fries. So it's always advisable you remove the debris that is forming. And if you bear with me, this debris was as a result of my nonchalant attitude, because I thought it's not this much until when I switch off the water. So I don't want you to be like me. Rather, I want you to be better off than me. And here is my colleague. He's going to tell you the steps involved. Hi, Mr. Dave.
Hi,
How are you today?
I'm good.
Okay, my viewers are watching you. What exactly are you going to do today?
I want to remove the dirt.
Okay.
Because if you leave it like that, it will harm the fish, honestly. So that is why it's always good you remove the dirt anytime you notice any form of dirt in it.
Okay.
Because it might result as your fish dying unnecessarily just like that. So it's always better you remove the dirt, always, if possible, every day.
Every day. Wow.
If possible.
Okay, but is there any motorized method of removing this thing? Do you know of any? Or this is the only manual method of removing it?
For now, this is the only manual method I know.
That you know, okay. There's always a room for improvement. So guys, in case you are good at invention, of course, you can invent something that will be useful to others. Don't worry, once you invent anything, just let me know. I'm going to share it on this platform so that a lot of other people, other fish farmers, will benefit from it. At the same time, you benefit as well. So that is actually what I want to show you, how we are making it, how we are removing the dirt. Can you see? The dirt is being removed gradually. Can you see? It's sucking it out. And with the help of the hose, can you see the hose? Okay, and here we are. This is where the dirt is coming. Of course, once you are removing the dirt, some fishes will follow through. So once we are done sucking, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to sieve it. We're going to sieve it. Don't worry, I'm going to share with you how we do it. So if you want to remove the dirt, you will sieve it this way. So you look for clean water in a bowl and just do it the way we are doing it. There's actually a lot of fishes that are dead. They are dead as a result of one, overfeeding, two, lack of water, and three, because of the dirt, as in the debris. The debris we just sucked out. So if you want to avoid mortality, you have to ensure you don't overfeed your fishes. You don't uh, give them few water. You give them continuously flowing through water. At the same time, make sure their tank is dirt free. So guys, that is basically what I want to show you. I just believe you derive value from watching it, and if you do, please smash the like button and also subscribe to this channel to get more. Bye.